Hello friends, I'm Milind and you're watching our YouTube channel English Language Guruji. Today I'm very excited because this is my first Nordgren watch. In this video, I'm going to unbox this beautiful product and also I will express my initial impression on this adorable product. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So this is the box. I got this product from Amazon and so I'm going to open this with this and also from this side. So I'm very excited. Here you can see the bill of this product. So let me put it upside, and this is the box of the watch. You can see it is very bigger box. Look at this box. It is well packed and very beautiful box, you can say. So let me unwrap this also. These are some stickers. Here is quoted that Nordgren Philosopher, grey leather, 40 new watch. So you can look at this box, very beautiful box, and here is also some information is quoted. Okay, you can see that the product name Nordgren Philosopher silver grey leather 40 The code is also quoted here. Net quality is quoted. MRP also quoted here, and it is made in Hong Kong, and it was imported and marketed in India. And this is the information of that services from where it was sold. So I'm very excited and take it outside like this. Oh, sorry, like this, and you can see the beautiful, adorable, pretty watch here. You can see this watch in the gray color watch, and let me take it outside. It has a very good quality of leather. Wow, I just said just wow when I look at this watch. So you can see that the thickness of this watch and the back side of this watch, and in that it is quoted something here or here. there also. So let me tell you the features specification of this watch. So this is the Nordgren Philosopher watch, and it has a specification. The case thickness, if you look at the thickness of this case is 7.2 mm. The case width is 40 mm. The case material is stainless steel of 316L. The case color is actually it is a silver, but it is also available in rose gold, gunmetal, and gold color. The movement of this watch, let me start. The movement of this watch is Japanese movement. And the strap, if you look at the strap, the size of the strap is 20 mm, and the quality, the type of strap is leather strap, and it has a interchangeable strap also. You can also change the strap from this side to another side. And it is a water resistant watch, and it is a rain resistant watch, and you can put it in the water up to 3 atm. So it is a very beautiful watch, you can see. Let me put it on my hands, how it looks on my hands. Sorry. And look, you can look at here. So it is one of the beautiful, adorable, and pretty watch. So very soon I'm going to make another video on this watch, that will be my review video. So thank you for watching my video until the end, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and like and share to your friends for new updating videos. So once again, I express my great gratitude towards you for watching this unboxing and first impression video of this Nordgren Philosopher watch. Thank you very much.